Hello everyone, it's Qian, and today I'm going to do a quick update on the platform I earn passive income. So firstly, we all know Hideout TV. My first recommendation where you can earn money by simply watching video. And let's see the rewards. So this is actually, I think, 2 or 3 days income. And I guess, I think with Qtply, that's more than $1. Let's see. Swapbucks, $80, or Qtply. It's $1.02. So of course this one is better. Okay. And I'm also going to show you all the earning I receive. So you can see from around maybe 10th of May, I have switched to Qtply. And it earns, before that I was using Swagbucks, and you can see the earning is very stable. So I regularly redeem like every 2 or 3 days. And besides that, I just put the platform on the side and let it play. For example, like doing this, or let it continue to play. Yeah. And I'm also, and yes, my upload status has also been approved, and I have started a channel. It's getting close to 10K views so far. So you can see I think it's getting quite a good traction here. So I only uploaded like 8 videos so far, and fortunately I have all the footages for before where I haven't been able to edit so far. So I think the quarantine gave me a time to do that. But unfortunately, I find out like only featured creators are eligible to receive payment from Hideout TV. And I'm trying to find out whether I can become a featured creator, but there's no much information here. They said they are in a process of updating the tier system. And this one, the link is broken. So I don't know for sure. The earning model, everything looks good here, but I guess we still have to wait to find out whether it's a good idea to start a channel in Hideout TV. I think the bright side is the views you are getting is very good views. Like unlike YouTube, like it's so competitive. Probably you can start a channel on Hideout TV and earn money both when you're watching and uploading video. And let's also go to Qtply here. So yeah, so as you can see, my coins almost doubled in the last 2 weeks. And yeah, my routine would be, firstly roll the dice. Let's try another one. Oh, come on. Only 22 coins. Loyalty bonus. Okay. And let's see the PT ads. So I think this one I already clicked, the one who give you the best reward. I would like to do it on the app so I can check back now and then while I was brushing my teeth or cooking my meal. And let's do this one here. You have to stay here for the time. And okay, yeah. So today I'm going to do an advertisement just to try how this platform works. So Jerrycan. Sometimes it's hard to click on a computer. Okay. And also, how am I doing with Swatsbucks? And now I have been switching Hideout TV reward to Coldplay. So as you can see, in May, I've earned like 20 so far in PayPal Cash. And I'm also getting very close to another $5 here. So I think I can get 25 in May. And let's go back. So in April, I actually earned, so this 35. Okay. Also 15 on March. Plus another 35. But I guess some are coming from previous months as well. As you can see, like I earned slightly less. But I guess it's okay because this gives me another source of income on Qtply. And let's go and try start an ad to refer and earn. So use my Swagbuck link and create the PDC. So I have to cut the video here because it actually takes me some time and various pages to come up with the copy. Let's just jump to approval. Unfortunately, the status is still abandoned by the time I was making the video, so I guess we have to wait and see. Please subscribe and we'll find out soon.